Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. It is knit crate time. This is the April 2019 membership box. It sells for $24.99 and that includes your shipping. They also have another box that sells for, I believe it's $19.99, and that also includes shipping, but it's just one skein of yarn and it is a sock yarn. This is 2 skeins of yarn, and let's check out and see what it is. Got my scissors. All right, let's see what we've got in here first. Oh, I can feel the yarn. I'm looking for the paperwork so I can tell you a little bit about it first. This is the April 2019. Here is the little magazine that you get each time. I know the colorways this month are possibly this poppy pink, which is my favorite, and the other option is a really pretty green also, which you can see right there, right here. It looks blue, but it's green. And the theme this month was based on entomology, which is the study of bugs. So the red color that you see up here is ladybug, and the other one is based on, I think that's a cutworm. I think it's a cutworm. So yeah, so it's a pretty kind of a bluish green, tonal bluish green. And then they have a pop-up box, which is here, or a pop-up shop, which is an independent dyer, and if you are a member of Knit Crate, you get special rates or special options to get those. Here are the patterns. Oh, I really like this one. This is the crochet pattern, I believe. Yes, this is the crochet pattern, and I really like that. And then the knit pattern. Oh, and the knit pattern's really pretty too. Here is the knit pattern. And it has some like little tree type of edging on it. So we can get it without the glare. There. So both are very pretty. I like both the poppy and the kind of the poppy red, or ladybug as they call it. This is part of the magazine that they send each month. You get a knit pattern and a crochet pattern to go with the yarn that you've bought, and you get, if you get the sock box, you get the same magazine, so you would get 2 patterns for the membership box, even if you don't get the membership box. Just like I don't get the sock box, but I get a sock pattern. It is a knitted sock pattern. I don't think I've ever seen a crocheted sock pattern. This one's called Undergrass. So you do get a pattern for there. So not only do you get the yarn, but you also get some special options as far as pop-up shops. Like here is another part of the pop-up shop, which kind of a dusty green, mossy green. That would be, yeah, I'd say kind of a bluish mossy green. It looks like it's called Blush Fiber Co. That is the yarn this year, or that is the yarn this month in the pop-up shop. And like I said, as a member of Knit Crate, you get chances at that yarn that it's maybe not offered to the general public. So you do also earn stash points for every box that you buy. And those can be cashed in almost like a rewards card type of thing, and you can cash them in and get some of their yarn out of their yarn shop, because whatever they have left at the end of the month, they do put it up for sale. So if you have 2 skeins and you want 4, you can do that. So let's get into it and see what color I got, whether I got the green or the red. I'll let you guys look first. And let's see. I got the green. And it's a definite minty. I don't see it so much as a tonal. It's definitely more of a minty was kind of hoping for the red, but this is pretty too. It is very, very soft. The yarn is Audine Wools, which is a Knit Crate brand. It is called Leaf Eater. I said cutworm. It's Leaf Eater. Like I said, it's kind of a mint green. That's what I would describe it as. It's 85% merino, 15% cashmere. That's what I'm feeling that's so soft, is the cashmere. It is a DK weight, and there are 302 yards per skein. So there are 604 yards altogether. So yes, it is, like I said, it is a mint, yeah, it's a mint green is the best I could describe it as. Yeah, I almost said like a Tiffany box, but Tiffany box blue is more of a blue. This is a definite green, so it's a minty green. So very pretty. It will be perfect for summer because, you know, summer colors. I used to have a pantsuit in this color. I did. I had an entire pantsuit out of this color that I really liked. This has always been a good color for me. So it is very soft, and I like both patterns that I saw with it. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to make, but I liked both. I tend to lean more toward the crochet pattern this time. So we shall see. Or I might put it with something else totally entirely. We never know. But anyway, that is what I got this month. And if you are interested in getting Knit Crate, you can get a 20% off your very first box, but you must use the coupon code Katrinascreations20. The link is right down below here, and if you click that, that will take you over to Knit Crate, and you can sign up for the sock box or the membership box. Again, the sock box does include the same magazine, so you would get a total of 3 patterns, a knit pattern, a crochet pattern, and a sock pattern. You get 1 skein of yarn. So again, that is $19.99, and that includes your shipping. And of course, if you get 20% off your first box, it'd be a little bit more off of that. Or the membership box, which is what I get, which is normally, unless it's a really, really high luxury yarn like it was, I think it was 2 months ago. Last month, I got 1 skein of yarn, but the skein of yarn had cashmere and silk in it, so it was a more expensive yarn, and they sent me a project bag. But almost always it's 2 skeins of yarn, and it is $24.99. It includes that same pattern book, as well as free shipping. So yeah, so if you're interested, 20% off is actually how I got started with Knit Crate. Over on Sheepishly Sharing with Margaret Olander. That was how I got started and introduced to Knit Crate. So if you want to give it a shot, there is the link down below. And otherwise, I will see you again on my regular Saturday podcast. Thanks again for watching. See you Saturday.